you don't know the difference between Tylenol and ibuprofen. It's okay. It's not a secret and no judgment. Nobody's ever taught you, and it's kind of too late to ask now, right? But I explain the difference almost every day to my patients, so let's explain it to you, right? So both Tylenol and ibuprofen have really important uses. Both treat pain, both treat fevers, but some do better at others. So the main difference is really you want to think about Tylenol from neck up, right? So if you have a headache, Tylenol does a really good job at passing the blood-brain barrier. That's the part of your blood vessels and brains that stops drugs that are bad for your brain to go to it. And it can go there and it can stop inflammation in the brain, it can stop the pain receptors, it can stop fevers, and it does a really good job of that. But it doesn't do much to the body. It can stop the pain receptors in your brain so you think there's less pain in your body, but it doesn't actually stop the inflammation. And that's where ibuprofen comes in. So ibuprofen works really similar to Tylenol, but it doesn't cross the blood-brain barrier and it stays in your body. So it's great for joint pain, muscle aches, infections, fevers, because it blocks inflammation overall. Now, there's some information that's a little outdated. I was taught my entire life Tylenol is for fever and ibuprofen isn't. But that's not true. More recent meta-analysis and big studies show us that ibuprofen actually does a much better job at stopping fevers than Tylenol, so we're still learning about that. But basically, if you're trying to prep for a big gym session, or you have an ingrown toenail, or whatever pain and ache and inflammation in your body, you want ibuprofen. If you have a headache, you probably want Tylenol. But otherwise, you can use both and they work really great synergistically. Just a reminder that I'm a bone doctor and I am not prescribing you any of these medications because I'm not your doctor. So talk to your doctor. This is for information purposes only. So until next time.